Welcome. In this video, you'll learn how to update and customize an intake form on your B12 website. By the end, you'll know how to customize a form, add or edit fields, control what happens after a form is submitted, and manage where your submissions go. To access your form, open your B12 editor and go to Website, then Pages. Scroll to the Intake Form section and select the form you want to update. Click the gear icon to duplicate or delete it entirely. You can also edit the form's URL or copy it directly from the left sidebar. Renaming your form is especially helpful if you have multiple forms. Under Form Title, enter a clear, descriptive name so you can easily identify where submissions came from. You can set the form to be internal or external. Titles, subtitles, CTA text, and descriptive text can all be edited under Content. In the Form Fields area, you'll see every field currently included in your form. Drag the grip icon to rearrange fields or click the arrow beside a field to edit its settings. If you need to remove a field, simply click Remove Field. To add new questions or inputs, click Add Field. You'll see a wide variety of field types to choose from, including text, email, phone number, number fields, date and date time pickers, URLs, radio buttons, checkboxes, dropdowns, address fields, file uploads, and more. Let's try adding services or products. This is used to receive payment after the form is submitted and is linked to payments and invoicing, so it's only available to users in the US. To do this, select Services and Products. Update the field label if needed, then choose whether you want to display a service or a product. Click the field under Services or Products to select the items you want to include. You can hide the description, quantity, or price, or disable the price entirely depending on your needs. You can customize the automated emails that are sent after someone submits this form. If you added an appointment to your form, those emails cannot be customized. Under Automated Emails to your client, you can adjust the confirmation email your visitor receives. Here, you'll see the sender name, the email address it comes from, and the template being used, usually the form submission confirmation template. This email is sent automatically right after the form is submitted. Your form submission template can be customized to meet your needs. You can edit your automatic replies, including the subject line and body. You'll also find Automated Emails to You, where you can customize the email notification that you receive whenever someone fills out the form, as well as add additional recipient email addresses that get notified. Finally, scroll to the Next Step section. This controls what visitors see after they submit the form. You can edit the success message that appears and choose what happens next. You might direct customers to complete a second form, schedule an appointment, make a payment, redirect to another page, show text generated by AI, or select None if you don't want to take them anywhere. Pick the option that fits your workflow. For more customization options, you can also edit the form's template. For more help with that, see the template editing video linked in the description. When you're finished customizing your form, click Publish in the top right corner of the editor to make your changes live. To view submissions, go to Website, then Form Submissions. Here, you can see the full message, the answers to all custom fields, any uploaded files, the selected service or product, and the corresponding contact record. You'll also receive an email for each submission if you have notifications enabled. If you have questions, the Help Center has all the answers you need. Check the link in the description. Haven't tried B12 yet? Start for free at www.b12.io and generate your AI website in less than 60 seconds. Thanks for watching, and we can't wait to see what you build.